on, guys? Captain Scout 05 back with another video. Today we're going to be motovlogging once again. It's been like 7 months since the last time I did it. It's been a while since I've ridden. 2 reasons for that. One, it was summer and it was super hot and it sucked and it's just sadness. And 2, we were trying to sell my dirt bike, and we are still trying to sell it, but we're very close on it. Those people over there, yeah, we're really close on it. We've got a bunch of offers on it, but we did buy this baby that I'm on right now. I will put a little montage in of pictures of it. It's like 2 pictures I took earlier before we came out here. It's a TTR 230. Right now, the suspension on this thing is really low because the owner of it, he didn't ever, it was for his wife, and they lowered it past stock, so it's actually lower than my 125 that I had. So it's a lot lower than what it should be. We're gonna raise it up. Hang on. We're gonna raise it up a lot. But today we literally just drove down and got it registered. Electric start finally. Woo! Yeah, we just got it registered. This is my first time actually taking it out. And I took it out with my dad, so we're just out here. If you're curious of what he's riding a Suzuki 250. I don't know, I don't know what year it is, or it was a TTR. I think TTR is just Yamaha. I don't really remember. Yeah, I'm riding a 230 now, so I'm a happy boy. This thing's got some hella power behind it. I'm sorry for the sun. Let's see which way we're gonna go. Which way? Okay, there's a truck going down that. Oh. Sadness. His bike died. Okay, we're back. His bike doesn't really want to run because it hasn't been running for the same amount of time as mine. Probably actually longer. Yeah, he hasn't run for actually longer than me. So his bike doesn't like him. Every time he stops, it's like, we're just gonna take a nap. And then he's like, F you, bike. So, that's fun. I want to gun it up this hill. I can't see where I'm going. Shot real smooth. Beautiful day today. Friday the 18th, I think it is today. Nice, pretty chilly out, but that's not our worst enemy. Look at all the trees, that's beautiful. And the lake down there, that's amazing. We just doubled back on ourselves, I think. Yeah, we doubled back. There's the water tank that we were at. He's taking it. We're going a bit slow. It does 2 things. Gunshots. Yeah, 2 reasons for taking it slow. He got new boots on and he can't shift, like, at all. And it's hilarious, so I'm gonna laugh at him. And then, the other reason is I have no idea, this is my first time riding the bike, so no YOLO yet. There will be times where I'll freaking fly, but not right now. Oh, save it. Almost died. Gas it! ask questions later. And we're at the top. He stayed down there. I bet his bike died again. Whoop, ours almost died. Is he coming? Yeah, he's coming. I'll put it back on when he gets up here. Could be hours. After many hours, we're back. It only took him a couple years to get up here, but he's up. Yeah, we're gonna have a friend of ours raise this bike because this is lower than my other one. Like, literally I can put my hand on the wheel and touch the fender at the same time. It's very sad. Whew, it's chilly. I hope you guys can hear me okay. It's been a while, so I'm not really sure how loud to talk, so right now I'm basically just screaming in my helmet. And that's why I get quiet when I reach near. He's gonna look back and go, "Duff." Ooh, fishtail. I don't know if you watched Dylan's channel, Goose. I think it's Goose the Biker. It's been a while. He just went down there last time and he's got goat heads or something all in his tires, I guess. So don't plan on going down there for until I guess winter. Oh, the roads be so nice out here in winter. I can't wait for that. With all the snow, I love it. McDonald's, I'm loving it. Copyrighted. Hashtag the copyright claim. Yeah, I'm sorry I have to angle you guys down so I can see where I'm going. I have to use my helmet to my advantage. Could you imagine, oh yeah, here's the fire. There was a fire here though a couple of days ago. Wow. You think? Wow, burned all the way out there. Wow. Pretty good. Yeah, so a couple days ago, this whole thing caught on fire. Who knows how it caught? Go start a firefighter. Woo! That's not the worst we've ever had. We've had it where the whole freaking hillside caught on fire on 4th of July. That was freaking awesome. You couldn't see like 4 feet in front of you. How much smoke there was? Yeah, good time. And we're turning. So yeah, I thought I'd switch it up a bit, not just do gaming videos, do some motovlogs, because those are cool, and they used to be what my channel was all about, so why not mix them in? But I could probably get one every week, and I'm probably going to record Sunday when Dylan is able to ride, unless the weather is really crappy, then there will be no recording, because who wants to ride in the rain? It hailed today, so. Oh yeah, what is it? October? It's already snowed at Bogus. Like, bruh. Yeah, it already snowed at Bogus, and it's October. This world. What? Like, what? Did Mother Nature just go shut him down, or like put on the shuffle mode or something? Shuffling seasons. Winter now starts in October. Yeah. Wow, look, it burned all the way to here. crazy, bro. How the hell that happened? GoPro film thing's really nice. I don't know if you guys have seen the new ones, but they have a screen now on the back of them. And you can see what you're filming for the first time. Yeah, what sucks with these is you can't see where you're filming unless you have a phone with you, which you should. Or, damn, this helmet's crushing my head. Yeah, unless you have a phone with you or you like upload the file to your computer. Itchy. Yeah. Sunset. Now we have 3 bikes temporarily. I don't know, maybe I should take the 125 out for its last ride. I've been scared to because we cleaned it all up and I don't want to somehow break the crap out of it or something. You never know. Turning my head with this helmet, bro. I feel like I just broke my neck. What's today? Yeah, okay, so today is Friday. That means the wildlife video just went up. So that's neat. This might go up tomorrow. Probably Sunday, so I'll edit it tonight and tomorrow, but who cares? Now I just gotta get a GoPro on my baseball uniform. Phone on my helmet, it'd be epic. If I'm too quiet, I guess I'm gonna have to do some commentary over myself. I think tomorrow I have not tomorrow, sorry, next week I only have 3 days of school. So I'm going to be filming videos like crazy for the next to like get ready for like the next month. Part of the school year that freaking sucks. Because they have this darn project at our school. I think it's called like grass or something. It's really dumb and it's going to take up a lot of time. So, probably not going to be a lot of videos then. I try to upload weekly now, and it's done pretty good. Not going to lie. I'm proud of myself. Ugh. RIP trash can. Oh, so this company, AAW, I think it is, they lost the contract to be our trash company, and me and my dad read in the paper there's 44,000 cans they have to pick up. It's crazy. Up here they haven't picked them up yet because we live so far away, nobody cares about us. Start a new clip. A lot of dirt bikes in there. Mailbox road. Yeah, his bike, there's gotta be something wrong with it. And does not smell right. Oh yay! Construction! And lots of, what is that? Is that just a bunch of trash? Oh my god, the amount of buckets there is. Tree right on the pavement. That'd be so mean. Ow! My helmet hurts my head. Okay, well we didn't go to the place I thought we were going, so rip. But we may just find another guy who can race my bike. There's a guy named Tim and he works on Dylan's bike. And he knows about everything there is to know about these damn bikes, so he might be able to race it, so he doesn't come back till Wednesday. So, I don't know, we'll see. Look like Dennis. I can feel the heat coming off this engine. It's crazy. Cray cray. Trying to get away from me, eh? I can keep up with you now. Off-road, on-road. Have you ever noticed that they have classifications for off-road cars, but they don't have some classification for on-road cars? What if no cars are meant for the road? Loud gas. looks like we're gonna head home. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.